Good morning, class. How is everyone?
We're good. I'm good too.
Are you ready for math class?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So, let's start off with raise your hand if you like to play with Legos.
Oh, yep, that's me.
Me too. So. I thought so. Me too. I love Legos. My brother loves them so much that he collected a lot of them and had a huge bin of them.
I bet I have a bigger one.
You probably do. They weren't very fun to step on, though. That always hurt. Okay, so I used to love building things with my brother. Turn to your neighbor and tell them what you like to build with Legos.
I like to build houses. I like to build trains and buildings. What about you? I build animals.
I heard some good thinking over there. Okay, for today's lesson, we're going to be project managers.
Ooh.
We already did yesterday's lesson on base outlines, and we were birds, so today we're going to focus on base plans. Let's go over some terms we have been talking about this week. Someone remind me what a base outline is.
It's like what something looks like from a different, like the top or the side or like that.
That's right. That's right. Good job. It's the bird's eye view of a figure. In our case, we'll use our figure as a building for this lesson. How about a base plan? What is a base plan? Donald?
I don't really remember.
Peanut?
I think we talked about it and it kind of looks like a bird's eye view, except it's a little different.
Okay, so it shows how high each stack of cubes are. Right?
Yep.
Good job, Toulouse. Okay, so our base plan is basically like a blueprint. It tells us how tall to make each part of the building. Tutu, what did I just say?
How high for each part of the building?
Correct. Good job. Okay, so now that we reviewed, let's get to it. Let's start with this one. This is going to be our building. We're going to have 2, 2, 2, 1, and 1. Okay. So if we look at this, what, okay, so when we look at this, we're going to start at the very top on the left, so we don't lose our place. What is up here?
2.
A 2, so what does that mean?
I don't know.
If it has a 2 right here, that means our building is going to be 2 blocks tall. So we will build it like this, right?
Oh, yeah. That's a good idea.
Okay. So what about the next one?
Same thing.
Same thing, so they should be even. So we did this one. We did this one. Now we're on block number
3.
3. Good job. So we have at
2
least
blocks
one
again.
down, and then
2 blocks.
2. So we add another one. Okay, we did that one. What's next?
Next row.
Next row is
1
1.
and 1.
1 and 1.
It's a kind of funny looking building.
It is a funny looking building. But look, it's a building. We made a building.
Woo!
Woohoo! Okay. Good job. We did that. And this is what it looks like. So this was our blueprint. And here's our building. Okay, let's do another one. Let's draw our building. Okay. Here's our next one. Where do we start?
Left.
And
Top.
left and top. Alright. So how many are there?
3.
3. So 3 blocks tall. What about the next one?
2.
2. Okay. Next row.
I know. It's the 1.
Good job. 1. Cross that one out.
Last
And
one's
our
3.
last one?
3.
Our last one is 3. So build it up 3. Scooch it on over. Okay, so what does that mean if these two are the same? They have the same number.
Height. Same height.
That's right. That means they have the same height, so they're even with each other.
That makes a good way to check each other. Check to make sure we do it right.
That's right, it does. Okay, so let's look at this blueprint. Oh, that looks terrible. Okay, that one looks kind of hard, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, where do we start? We can take it by chunks.
Top left.
Top left. So this block, right?
Yep.
Okay. And what number do we have?
2.
2 blocks high. Alright, we cross that out. What's
Next block is 3.
Next
3
is
high.
3. Alright, that's good. Okay, what's the third one?
1.
We got 1. And now where do we go?
Second row.
Second row.
1.
1 for the second row.
Then 2.
And then we have a 2. Are we done yet?
Nope.
Okay, what's right here?
Number 2. Last row.
Last row has 2.
Ooh.
Look at that thing.
I like that building.
Okay, so after looking at this blueprint, which blocks should be even with each other?
The one on the top left, and the other one's with a 2. So the second row has got a 2. The row's got a 2.
So 1,
Maybe like a
5,
zigzag.
and 6. 1, 5, and 6. And then are there any more?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Good job. That's one way you can kind of check your work. Okay, now I'm going to build a set and then draw its blueprint. You will be my supervisor, class, okay?
Alright. I like it.
After I've done my work, I need you to check it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's kind of mix it up.
Maybe you're supervisor all day.
Nope, not all day. Just for math class.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So here's my building, and I have to draw the blueprint. Let's see. Okay. Now we got 2 in the first one, 3 in this one, 3 in the next one, 1 right here, and 3 right here.
Wait a minute. Shouldn't they be even if they're all 3s?
Where? Right here?
There's too many 3s.
Too many 3s.
Yeah, the middle ones are supposed to be 3s, not the outside ones.
Oh, you're right. So what should it be?
2, 3, 2, not 3, silly.
2.
And then that one's got to be a 3 and then a 1. Good thing we're in charge.
Good thing. Now which ones are even?
The middle ones.
These 2 are even, and what about this one? Is it even with the partner?
The first one. The first one.
one. Yeah, good job. I'm glad you caught that.
Whew, good thing.
Okay, so now we are going to move on to our activity. You'll be given 6 different blueprints on your worksheet. See right here? 6 different blueprints. And some blocks, and we'll give you some blocks so you can make your own buildings.
Ooh, we get our own dice.
Once you complete one project, you must have your supervisor, which will be me, check it over before moving on. Then you can move on to your next project. If at any point you have any questions, raise your hand and I will come help you. Okay?
Yep.
Does anyone have questions now? Are you ready to get started?
We're ready.
You're ready. Okay, here we go. Here's some blocks.
All right.
Ooh, she just got butterfingers today.
That's what my mommy said. We did it! Woo!
Okay, let's check it. We have what?
3,
3 in the first one. What's next?
2,
And next?
2.
So 2 right here. Oh no, we missed one. That's okay. Okay, next one.
2,
And
1,
and
1.
okay, so which ones are even?
All the 2s.
All the 2s. So that means 2, 3, and 4. What else is even?
The 1s.
Which is?
Black one right there, and the purple one. Sparkly purple one.
So 5 and 6. Good job. Okay, so you can move on to number 2.
I'm finished. Me too. That was fun. We did good, didn't we?
I saw some good work, project managers. Okay, so today we learned about how to build buildings while looking at blueprints. What is the correct math term that we use for a blueprint? Starts with the B.
Base. That's with base.
Good job, base.
I got the last one. Plan.
Good job, Tutu. Base plan. So let's review what we learned. We could use this in the real world just like we did today. How would we do that?
Well, I know I want to build things when I grow up.
So you want to be a construction worker?
Yep.
That's cool.
I actually want to be a manager. I want to be in charge of people.
Oh, project manager. You would like that, Donald. That's awesome. I have lots of friends who do that. So if we're building a house or a building, what would we need to look at to make sure we were doing the right thing?
We need a blueprint too. Blueprint.
Yeah, you need
Plan.
blueprints, but why? Why do you need a blueprint?
Because I don't want my workers messing up. Duh.
Yeah, so you use that to make sure your plan is safe and goes how you will need it to, right?
Yep.
Okay, well, y'all worked really hard today, and I'm so proud of you. Tomorrow we will incorporate base plans and base outlines together so we can create more detailed plans for building.
Ooh. I like it.
That's right. Okay, get ready for lunch.
Yeah, we're doing lunch.